And a good one there in lane 4. Briana Lyston of LSU.
And that race was being won by Briana Lyston all the way from Jamaica. Now another victory that Briana Williams achieved in running in this race is she was able to break Lasso 60-meter record, and she is currently number one in the nation, Jamaica. She is currently the number three top female sprinter in the 60-meter 2024, and she is the number four in collegial um, whole history performance in 60 meters. So Brian Lightson has achieved a lot by running this 60 meters, and her future is definitely bright. She is number one in Jamaica in the 60 meters with a time of 7.07 seconds, and she is currently number three in the whole wide world. And she is also the number four in the whole collegial history of university. So congratulations to Brian Lyston. Let me know what you think.